guys, today we're going to make one of these little tags or little mini notebooks. I don't know what you want to call it. Using some images from TaylorMade Journals, and I'll leave a link to her Etsy shop below. In the back has a pocket with another little mini notebook that opens that way. And I tucked in an extra tag in the pocket. So this was totally inspired by Yvonne Preston, and I will leave a link to her channel below as well as to the video where she made this. I thought it was absolutely adorable and so simple and easy and quick to make, which I love. So let me show you how to make one of these. All right, I'm going to use this for my front image. And we're just going to, I'm going to use my grid lines to tear straight. Okay. And this is just copy paper that has been tea dyed. It's fairly thin paper. Just get my fold line straight. And then we'll turn this piece up this way. Fold a little bit of this in to reinforce the pocket. Okay, let me just glue this down. Now, I will say, pay attention to what you're doing. I'll show you the mistake that I made. Here's one that I made, and I put the picture on the wrong way. So when you turn it over, the pocket is upside down or vice versa. So pay attention to what you're doing. The picture, your fold needs to be at the top, and the picture then can go on this way, and then it opens this way. And your pocket is there, okay? So let me go ahead and I'm going to ink this before I put the picture on. And I'm using Scorched Timber. All right, let's go ahead and glue this little cutie pie down. Okay, and I'm going to use some Christmas stickers like I did in here. And since I'm making a Christmas journal, and these are kind of Christmas themed pictures, we're going to stick with Christmas. Okay. I'm going to turn that over and glue this pocket down. And we'll decorate the pocket. So I just used some washi tape. I'm going to run it through my glue. All right, let's find another sticker to put here. Okay, we'll set that aside and we'll make the other little booklet. So we're going to take the other piece of our coffee dyed paper. I am not going to leave a margin around this because I want it to be able to fit in the pocket easily. And let's fold it accordion style. I'm just going to trim off this part right here. We don't need it. And then trim off the bottom. And this can be inked as well. I will ink the whole thing off camera, but just to give you an idea. And that will just slide in there like that. And then I'll stick one of these little vintage Christmas tags in there. And this can be put in a pocket in your journal, clip to a page, but it's so cute. Look at that. I love it. And I want to thank Yvonne for the inspiration. These are so easy and so quick to make and so cute. So guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.